Hello, my lovely artists. Come, let us make some fridge magnets today. But before that, we need to always spray a bubble burster onto our molds to keep our resin bubble free. And right now, I have taken four colors. One is this pastel green, the other one is the watermelon color that I'm pouring right now, and two more colors. One is a pink and the other one a beautiful dark gray. And once this resin gets dried up, we'll add some photographs and create a beautiful fridge magnet for a kid's birthday party. I hope you all like the first part of this, and let's wait for tomorrow to do the second and the final portion. Chalo then, this is the final thing.